Hey friends, healthy snacks for road trips. I just got back from the beautiful Waypoint House in Berryville, Virginia, which is a hop, skip, and a jump away from Maryland, DC, Tennessee, North Carolina. You're very close to this location. And I brought a whole bunch of snacks, healthy snacks at that. Having lost 79 pounds, I am conscious of bringing healthy snacks with me on my road trip adventures. Particularly with COVID, I want to make sure I'm getting really healthful snacks. So let's dive into all of my healthy snacks. But first, a special thank you to Waypoint House in Berryville, Virginia for sponsoring this video. You can book your reservation down in the description link below with their amazing hygiene practices, beautiful B&B that they have, luxurious landscaping around their property, but also you get the most incredible breakfast. If you want someone to make it for you, with a delicious breakfast, but also you can add on lunches throughout the day if you feel so inclined as an amenity, and there's other incredible amenities. So check out down below in the description link. Let's dive in talking about all of our delicious snacks that we have for road trips. Beep, beep. Okay, so my first snack that I'm gonna talk about is nuts. I love traveling, and I got these actually from CVS. They are just simply unsalted raw natural almonds. They're in pre-parceled packages, so I don't overeat them. I find when they're pre-packaged, I won't overeat on all my delicious snacks. So number one healthy snack for a road trip is going to be raw natural raw natural almonds because of the crunch factor in them. Number two for my healthy snack for road trip, it's not pre-parceled, so you're gonna have to measure them out a fourth a cup at a time, but it is from Costco. They're dry roasted macadamia nuts with sea salt. My friends, there's nothing better than a macadamia nut. These are so good. They're so good. You can get them also off on Amazon. I will link down below all the affiliate links for these products too, if you want to get them when you boot scoot over to the beautiful Waypoint House in Berryville, Virginia. Okay, so the B&B there. So number two was our macadamia nuts. Number three is going to be some chip factors, but not your average chip. You can see I've already opened them. I've already been snacking on my chips. These are awesome. They're by Farmhouse Culture. They're organic. They're crunchy kraut crisp. They're cabbage chips. That's right. You can write your name in cabbage, my friends. They taste, it looks somewhat like a Dorito, but this flavor is lime chili. They have other different kinds of flavors if you're interested in getting them. They're really good. I highly recommend them. They're made, one of the ingredients in there is the sauerkraut. It's ranked as number 3 or 4 in their ingredients list on them. I really like them. I find that they're better because they're fermented cabbage than like a regular Dorito because they don't have added sugars. They are organic. It's good. It's good. It's 1 cup of organic sauerkraut is baked into each bag, right? So I'm going to take it. It's good. You wouldn't know, by the way, that it was fermented food. So for healthy snacks, I do like having that healthy fermented food. Next, I do have the Kalahari Biltong. If you like beef jerky, you will love Biltong. This is amazing. This flavor was lime chili. I'm on a lime chili kick. Chili lime, lime chili. This one, I like the packaging size for it, but I do like that the ingredients in this are only beef, vinegar, salt, chili pepper, lime juice, and black pepper and red pepper. Like, that's it. It doesn't have creepy sugars added into them, so you're not going to get a sugar spike while you're traveling. I like for road trips having things like this. The smell also, I'm very conscious of being in a car with smell. This is delicious. I highly recommend, and I do like that it's a resealable package as well. You can have one for you, or your sidekick can also have their own bag as well. And in terms of carbs, there's less than 1 carbs per package. So this is Biltong. It's centuries old South African tradition of air drying meat is what Biltong is. Very good. Next, I have moon cheese. Moon cheese. If you go to Starbucks or Target, you've probably seen moon cheese. It's one of their snacks. It's basically like cheese balls, but a little bit healthier. We're talking about healthy snacks today with our healthy lifestyle. It has 2 carbs, and there's 2 servings per package. This is 2 ounces of it. It's basically, the ingredients are Monterey Jack cheese with jalapeno peppers, and it's shelf stable. So I love these. This one's get pepper jacked. It's probably my favorite because I'm a baby about spice, but it has just a little kick to it. But they do have other flavors like Gouda, Parmesan, things like that. So I would highly encourage, but it's got 10 grams of protein. So if you like to have high protein snacks, this very well may be the stick snack for you. And again, a resealable bag on there, because when I eat these, I typically don't eat all 2 ounces. This is a big portion relative for snacks, so it's nice that it has the resealable part on it. You can put it in your pocketbook or in your traveling case. Next healthy snack that we have on our way to Waypoint House B&B in the beautiful Berryville, Virginia. Get in your car, go book your reservation. You will be totally excited and ecstatic to go there and to have the luxury that is waiting for you. Next, I have my Lint Chocolate. My friends, you could get this easily at CVS or Walgreens or some sort of convenience store or some sort of grocery pickup. In fact, that's where I got this, was from a Walgreens. It's 90% cocoa and cocoa, 90% in there. And so in terms of the ingredients, the reason why I picked this is it's chocolate, cocoa butter, cocoa powder, sugar, bourbon, vanilla beans. So it doesn't have a bunch of weirdo, like, you know exactly, I can pronounce those, we understand what they are, but with the 90% cocoa in there. It's Supreme Dark Chocolate, which dark chocolate's supposed to be good for us for a number of different reasons. And I like Lint. Lint, call me. I'm not sponsored by them, but I love their chocolate. But you know who you do want to call? Waypoint House B&B, because they have an awesome, phenomenal place that you can road trip to. If you're watching this, you're probably in Virginia, Maryland, DC, North Carolina, Tennessee, somewhere in that ballpark. Get in your car, go make a reservation at Waypoint House B&B, and go sit on their back porch after you have a glass of wine for the evening, wind down, go sit in their hammock. It is amazing. The herbs that are in the back area actually will be the ones that they're usually put into your breakfast meals, which is pretty cool. So these are all of our healthy snacks on here. Different options. Oh, I did have 2 more options for us in here. One was coconut chips. These are not coconut chips. You know why? I ate them on accident. I ate my coconut chips. I'll link them down below, where they're literally just straight coconut chips. This is shredded coconut, which would not be good for the car because it's very fine pieces, but regular coconut chips are bigger. They're so good. And I have a brand that does not have added sugar into them, which I don't like having added sugars in my snacks. And the next healthy and final one that I do have is from Perfect Keto. It's a keto trail mix. Chocolate covered pumpkin seeds. You had me at chocolate covered pumpkin seeds, macadamia nuts, coconut flakes, and roasted almonds. It's really good. You can see it's open because I had this on the most recent business trip I went on. It is so good. So good. So if you like any of these, they will be in the description link below. Again, special thank you to Waypoint House B&B in the beautiful Berryville, Virginia. I highly recommend going there. Get in a road trip, be safe, but you can easily travel there with safety precautions not too far away, and you don't need to hop in an airplane with all of the states that I mentioned earlier. So my friends, if you found this video helpful, dance your fingers over and click that like button, click subscribe so you can see future videos, and check out our playlist down below for other travel related videos and all things traveling. My friends, let's make it a powerful day. See you next time. Bye guys.